What's up, everybody? My name is Vincent. Welcome to Cryptolution, where we talk about everything under the moon, the crypto universe. Today is Tuesday, January 2nd. Today is my second video because you guys and girls have requested in the comments to cover an update regarding the BONK token. Now, I actually saw something in the charts recently within BONK, and potentially we either could pump out of this trend or take a massive dump to a specific price point that I've actually mentioned previously in our videos. Now, I want to share with you what I'm seeing in the charts, but before we get there, if you want to stay up to date in a timely manner, especially with everything regarding the BONK meme token on Solana, you need to smash the like button and also subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to join our Patreon page, and most importantly, please be careful with any of the scammers down in the comments below. I will never reach out via WhatsApp, Telegram, direct messaging, or email, so please be careful and invest safely. So guys and girls, let's get right into it. So BONK right now is hovering around the price point of around 1.3, as you can see here. The market cap right now roughly is around $823 million. Now that is significantly low compared to its $900 million market cap, where it was between $900 to even $1 billion. Now, right now we're seeing that the price has really taken a dump. And so what we have to see is BONK even still trending? Are people even still talking about this token? Now, for a while, for a few weeks, we actually saw that BONK was holding the #1 place for quite some time, basically. And it was hanging there even during the Solana bull market when we started seeing Solana's token price go up. But now BONK has actually fallen to 4th place. But what's really interesting is that it's actually above Solana. Now Solana has even gone up not too bad from underneath the $100 not too long ago, roughly a week ago, and is back over $107. And we've noticed that when Bitcoin has been pumping lately because of the whole spot Bitcoin ETF around the corner and we're waiting for approval, Solana actually pumps a lot harder than Bitcoin. And so people have been wondering, why isn't BONK pumping or is correlated with Solana? Well, possibly people are taking their profits from BONK and rolling it into Solana or Bitcoin. So that's what you're probably saying. But again, the people who took profits, again, we took profits on our channel before, and we also mentioned it to our Patreon members as well of where we're going to sell. So what we do is we want to make sure that we take profits no matter how high the pump is, so that we can have liquidity to buy the dump. So let's go and look at the top meme coins, because again, even though you may feel very bearish around BONK, you still have to consider that BONK is still the #3 trading meme coin against all the other meme tokens on the whole coin market cap, right? Like look at Pepe. Pepe was the meme coin at some point in time, but only has a 567 million market cap. And so BONK right now has that potential at some point or another to flip Shiba Inu. We talk about that on our channel. And some people may be like, that's never gonna happen. Of course you're gonna say that. You're gonna say it especially when there's no price pumping. But when BONK reaches into the $1 billion of market cap, you won't even question that BONK could flip Shiba Inu's market cap of $6 billion. That's just kind of how it works. People get really emotional, but they tend to get really bearish when no one's seeing a ton of money in their market cap or even a ton of liquidity flowing into BONK. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and look into the charts, because this is why you're watching this video. So as you can see here in this trend line, we actually are waiting to break out of this. And right now we are waiting to either break to the upside or to the downside. And right now we're at this very point right here. And this is kind of something I want to show you right now, is that really we're not seeing it break out, and it's still below the EMA ribbon. In fact, the only price point that I would ever get into is right around here, 1.0. So really we're waiting for that confirmation, and if it decides to pump here after, that's okay. But the fact that it's been kind of dwindling more and more, again, we actually covered our short signal here on our channel and on our Patreon page. That's where we took profit. And so another thing I want to keep in mind is the relative strength index. So right now the RSI is actually showing that possibly we are in an uptrend. Even though you're seeing the price go down, you're seeing that right now people are showing renewed interest in the token and are possibly dollar cost averaging. It's a battle between the bears and the bulls right now. But really, if this is starting a new green trend line to the upside, then we're going from the oversold territory to hopefully going into the buying zone, right? So this is really the buying zone right here where you need to accumulate. And hopefully if we can see this go in a zigzag between this little trend line, then we could see a breakout to the upside, and that will also reflect in the price of BONK, which would send it to the upside too. And really we have to break past this resistance level of around 1.8, which we haven't seen since December 25th, and today is January 2nd, so we have some time. So again, anything can happen within the next 24 hours because this is the 4-hourly chart. So we have to see what's going to happen right now, but if you want to get all the updates on what this token's going to do, you have to join our Patreon page to stay up to date on a timely manner for those trades, to understand how we're better positioning ourselves when we're buying and when we're selling. So as a conclusion and statement, is BONK dead? Is it done? Is it over? Is it going to crash even more? Well, possibly. The thing is, we have to see the next narrative, because if Bitcoin keeps tending to pump, will BONK pump with that token? Because right now, even though Bitcoin has pumped 6%, we actually see that BONK is dipped down to 8%. So right now, BONK is not correlated with Bitcoin, and most likely people are rolling out their liquidity that they have from the BONK profits into Bitcoin. So this is why we talk about how meme coins are not an investment, they are a bet. You're not investing anything, you're taking a bet and hoping that this meme coin will do really well. That's what meme coins are for. It's about speculation. So with that said, let me know your thoughts down below. Do you think you're going to be dollar cost averaging into BONK at these levels? Do you think it's going to dip to around 1.0? Or do you think it's going to break out of that trend and head to the upside? And then we're going to see the next new meme coin of BONK become #1 in the trending cryptocurrencies, and also one day, flip Shiba Inu's market cap. Well, let your thoughts down below in the comments, because it's going to help everybody understand how to position themselves as well. So with that said, thanks for watching. Be sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, join our Patreon page to receive all these alpha calls within BONK. Until then, see you guys and girls next time.